Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change theme in Opera GX. So the first step you need to do is to open Opera GX. So open that. So once it is open, you simply need to click on this gear icon, that is settings, and wait for a few seconds so that settings will appear. So let me refresh from here. So now you can see that I am in the settings, and let me refresh again. Okay, once I'm in settings, you simply need to search for the theme, and here it is. So here you can see different themes. So let's suppose I want this theme. You simply need to select that, and now you can see that my theme is changed in Opera GX. So this is the easy process that you need to follow to change theme in Opera GX. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.